This is Gypsy and Louie's litter. They are 7 weeks old today. And we'll see if we can get everybody. Here's the Hellas puppy. And I don't think I have a name on him yet. I don't think I have a name on you yet, do I? No. Here is male number 5, and he is still available. Here's my black male. Here's Cooper. Here's Cooper. He's going to go live with Travis. That's Mr. Cooper. And here is Tahini. Little girl. She's going to go live with the Smiths. There is that Wayland right there? I think it is. Oh no, that's a girl, isn't it? That's Eleanor. That's Eleanor. She's gonna go live with Melissa. And there's some babies sleeping in there. There's Wayland. Hi, Wayland. Are you gonna come out and play? I think I tired him out from pictures. Come on out. Come on, I got the door open for you. And there's Chandler. Hey, Mr. Chandler. Did I tire you out, huh? He's crashed out. Come on, you want to come out and play? Come on. He goes, nope, leave me alone. I'm tired. What else we got? We got Bailey. There's Bailey. There goes Bailey. He's going to go live with the Centers. It's hard for me to get him when they're all running. It's windy, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. The sound is probably not going to be good. Where's Deuce? Woo, that wind is something. Where's Mr. Deuce? Where is he? Right there. There's Deuce. Hi, Deuce. He is going to go live with Brandon and Tess. Did I get everybody? No, where's my little runt girl? Oh, she's hiding under the chair. Hey, what are you doing under there, huh? Here's my little black girl. She's available. Female number 3. She's my runt. Yes, and she's a little sweetie. Yes, and you're playful too, aren't you? Yeah. Hi, Cooper. Hi, Mr. Cooper. What are you doing, huh? There's Eleanor. There goes Eleanor. There's the Hellas puppy. Eleanor. And here's Tahini. Here she goes. What? And there's Bailey. Where'd Wayland go? Oh, he's in the kennel still. There's Deuce. And I'm getting chewed up by black flies out here. Oh, they're so bad right now. And there's the 2 sleepy boys that don't want to come out and play. Chandler and Wayland.